It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Tell us what you're going to do, Johnny boy.
I'm going to paint this canvas.
Duh!
I got white on half of it.
And what size is that canvas?
That's a 12 by 12 canvas.
12 by 12? Okay.
I'm going to try something funny here, so I'm going to try. I'm not going to say what I'm going to try. This doesn't come out.
He's going to wing it here.
I am.
Good luck.
I got to see what I want to do.
Did you use black?
No black.
No. Okay, so you used Deco Art Dioxide
Yeah.
purple. You used
Yellow.
Artist Loft yellow. You used Master's Touch ocean green. You used Apple Barrel Gloss tropical blue, and you used Deco Art Prussian blue.
That's right. That's
Ooh,
right.
that's
what I
purple.
did.
Okay, it looked like black before. Oh,
That's
looks pretty colors.
purple.
Purple.
Okay. What are you going to do? I'm all done with my side. Well, this was the finished product. Turn the ring pour into a swipe. Okay, say goodbye. Say it. Say it.
Bye. Thank you for watching. This is Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium saying please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.